The circle of fifths explained. Level 1, key signatures. Let's dive straight in. Going from F to B in a clockwise direction on the wheel gives us all the notes of C major. When reordered alphabetically, we get C, D, E, F, G, A and B. This means to work out the notes of any major key, we start on the space anti-clockwise of the desired key and move 7 spaces in a clockwise direction. G major, therefore, has the notes G, A, B, C, D, E and F sharp. A quick note on enharmonics. When working out B major, you would get, but the notes of B major are B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp and A sharp. In this case, what we need to do is switch the flats we currently have into enharmonic equivalents. For example, B flat is the same as A sharp, E flat sounds the same as D sharp, A flat sounds the same as G sharp, and D flat sounds the same as C sharp. This is because the sharp side keys are on the right side of the wheel and the flat side keys are on the left side of the wheel. So F and G have 1 flat and sharp respectively. B flat and D have 2 flats and sharps respectively. E flat and A have 3. A flat and E have 4. D flat and B have 5. And G flat has 6 flats and F sharp has 6 sharps. C flat will be a key with 7 flats and C sharp major will be a key with 7 sharps, but they are very rarely used. You may have also observed that there is a set in stone order of both the sharps and the flats. The order of the sharps goes F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp and B sharp. And a handy way of remembering that is the rhyme, Father Charles goes down and ends battle. The order of the flats is the exact opposite of this. We have B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat and F flat, or battle ends and down goes Charles's father. The order of the sharps and flats is very useful to know when trying to plot a key signature onto a stave. C major has no sharps or flats, G has 1 sharp, D has 2, A has 3, E has 4, B has 5. And notice how the order of the sharps is mimicked onto the stave. So F sharp is on the F line of a treble stave, the C sharp is on the C space of the treble stave. F sharp has 6 sharps, G flat has 6 flats, D flat has 5, A flat has 4, E flat has 3, B flat has 2, and F has 1. So that's it for today's video. Join me next time for level 2, where I talk about how we use the circle of fifths when it comes to harmony and building chords. If you found this useful, please hit subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay notified when I post my next video. This has been David Kennedy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.